Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and refreshing pineapple, romaine and parsley juice that is so good. I first had this juice at a local farmer's market and I loved the combination of flavor. You get a bit of sweetness from the pineapple, then you have that fresh earthy flavor from the romaine, and the parsley just gives it some brightness. Not going to make any health claims about this juice, but it is natural and it is very good. The first thing is to prepare all of your vegetables and the fruit. And I am going to start, I've washed everything thoroughly. And as you can see, I've separated the romaine lettuce leaves just to make sure there's no sediment in between. Then I am going to cut the pineapple, and I am using this super sharp knife and just going all around the pineapple, making sure to remove the skin and those little brown eyes. Well, that's what I call it, at least, from the pineapple. And I'm just going to cut my pineapple into pieces that's small enough to fit into the opening of my juicer. And this is a great juice for summer. It's just very refreshing. It's very light. It is not overly sweet, which is what I love, and it just makes you feel good all around. And now that I've prepared all of my ingredients, the next thing to do is to get started on juicing. And I'm using a Breville juicer. I purchased this one a few years ago and it is relatively inexpensive, well, in the world of juicers, and I like the compact size and it does a pretty good job. I actually purchased this for my husband because he loves to juice and he'll make carrot ginger juice and all different kinds of veggie juices, so this thing has gotten a lot of work. And I'm just juicing. I started with the pineapple, then I added the parsley, and I'm finishing it off with the romaine lettuce. Now the thing about juices like this that are natural and fresh, you have to drink it within, I would say, max 2 days. You have to keep this in the fridge, and after 2 days it changes the taste. It's not as fresh. It also starts to go bad because remember, this has no preservatives in it. So just make it in small batches and enjoy. And that is pretty much it. All that's left to do is to chill this, serve it over some ice, and to enjoy it. I will leave the link to the juicer below in the description box if you're interested. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.